Hey everyone, so this is my favorite concealers of 2024. So let's make a start. First one, Laura Mercier. These are in no particular order. This is the Flawless Fusion. It is a wonderful one. By the way, every single product here can be used as a foundation. Gorgeous, I love this. I think this is still being made. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is their concealer. I love it. I think it's a great full coverage concealer. It's really nice. It's still here in my box. Full coverage, rose ink. Is very, very, very good. This is such a nice one. This is the Hyaluronic Serum by Tarte. It is so good. So expensive, but so good. Hyda Flawless Filter one. This is amazing. I love this. I love, love, love this. This is amazing as well, Natasha Denona. This is one of my favorite ones, favorite of all time. If you can afford this, it's wonderful. This is that one by Tom Ford. It's like their Shade and Sculpt and Shade and Illuminate bollocks, but it's still a really good concealer. Tarte, this is a Shape Tape. I've got a huge one here. Not a big fan of this as a concealer, but as a gorgeous, gorgeous foundation with light coverage, it's really nice. Shape Tape again, ultra creamy time. Very, very good. They're just really full coverage, so you need to bear that in mind. Charlotte Tilbury offers light to medium coverage. This is their Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, and it really is very good. An oldie but a goodie, Nars, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's still around, and it's around for a reason, because it's so good. It really, really is. DIOR, Skin Correct. This is a lovely concealer. It's really, really pretty. Giorgio Armani, which is really quite lovely. But my favorite of them all is Laura Mercier, and this is Secret Camouflage. Firstly, it's a cream, which I prefer. Second, it really doesn't budge, and you only need a small amount. I love this product. I love it for highlighting underneath foundation, over foundation. I love it as concealer or corrector. It's just my favorite. That's my favorite concealers of 2024. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.